Hey, what's up guys. On this one I want to show you how you can actually buy Bitcoin on Binance. So it's going to be some few ways which you can actually do in order for you to actually buy Bitcoin on Binance. So there's some easy ways which you can actually do. The first thing you have to do, you have to go on in the description of this video. Make sure you click the link where it says get started with Bitcoin or with Binance, so that you can actually download this app, so that you can make sure you download a correct one, because there are a lot of scams out there, so that you don't actually download a wrong one and then you lose your money into buying something else. So what we're going to do on this one, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually buy some Bitcoin using your Binance app on your PC. I'm actually going to do another one on using your phone, which is actually very easy. You don't have to be at home in order for you to actually start buying or trading on the move. You can just use your phone, or you can actually use your PC when you're actually relaxing at home. So I'm actually just going to show you guys as how to actually do that on your PC. So I'm just going to go on to my wallets right here. As you can actually see, there's an overview. So we're actually going to start on the overview, so you can actually see what is going to happen there. So just gonna wait for it to actually load up, so that it can actually lead us on to where we can go on next. So as we wait for it to actually load up, as you know guys, these kind of assets are very, very cool to have. Actually, you just have to familiarize yourself with all this trading stuff, so that you can actually start to understand it. You don't have to look for anyone to actually do this stuff for you guys. Make sure you don't fall for those scammers who actually maybe going to comment on this video saying who and so they were actually great at doing this for me, and I made a lot of money doing this and that. Those guys are actually going to chow your money and run away. So stay away from those people as away as possible, so that you don't have to fall as a victim to those people, guys, because those are vultures. They're actually going to take your money and run away, and do not even look at you at all. Also, as you can actually see here guys, as P2P wallet is integrated with a funding wallet, so that's something you actually don't have to understand right now. All right. So once you actually get onto this here, as you can actually see, I have a little bit of some fiat currency here. So okay, I think we'll just have to come onto here and spot fiat and spot. Right, as you can actually see here guys, so you can actually see you're actually going to have something that you already bought, or maybe you're just starting out, you don't even know what to do. When you get onto here, you will have to come in and actually be able to make a deposit. You can use your credit card, or your debit card, you can actually go straight into here. You can use a P2P trading, you can use all these three, even this fourth one here. So once your money comes inside here, it's going to show somewhere around here. So once it gets here, you're gonna have a little bit of those assets that you have, like this one. I have some Soul Gala and what there. So what you're actually going to do, once you get onto that, you're gonna go on to convert right here, and you're just going to click onto it. Once you get onto convert, it's going to show you some stuff over here. So Bitcoin is always the number one, guys. Most of the time it's still number one for now, as though I don't believe it's going to be the number one for a very long time. I think the other altcoins are actually trying to catch up and trying to make Bitcoin run for its money right now. So once you get onto here, you will see you have some USDT, you have some BTC. So USDT is a stable coin. It's actually just like a dollar. It doesn't actually fluctuate a lot. It doesn't go up and down a lot. It's always around on that stagnant price a little bit there. Unlike Bitcoin, it's been going up and down all the time. So if you're actually scared of your money going up and down, you just convert it onto your USDT. So as you can actually see right here, let's say you have some USDT, so you're actually going to max it all up here, and then once you get all to here, and then you see these things on USDT, and then we have some BTC right here. What you're actually going to do now, you're actually going to max it all up, and then you're actually going to see. So let me show you. I'm gonna put in some Soul right here. Like I have some Solana, so some Soul right here, as you can actually see. So I'm actually going to mix it all up, and then you're actually going to preview how much you're going to get with this you actually have here, and then you're actually just going to hit this. And then I don't have enough here. They actually want me to have at least the maximum of one Soul, which is I have a little bit. So because this is my other account, which I usually don't put a lot of money on it, because I just do these kind of videos onto this one. So I don't actually put a lot onto this one. So that's what you're actually going to do. You just have to convert this, and then you just hit here and then convert, and then all of this is going to be onto BTC. So that's how you actually buy your BTC onto Binance, which is a quick way which you can actually see. So the pairs of what the currency you were actually, of a crypto that you were using, may not be able to convert onto. So the safest one is always the USDT. You just have to convert into it, and then convert to most of the other coins. So that's it for this video, guys, and thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any other videos that I'm actually going to post onto here. So the next video is going to be how you can actually buy some Ethereum, and then you actually go. So make sure you don't miss that video. Make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of those kind of videos. So this is going to be a ciao.